Number 13, Terena Lichwak. Number 14, Te Atahuia Barbara Rich Love. Number 15, Ellie Johns. Number 16, Denim Kartini. Number 17, Ngā Pera Heihei. Number 18, Miriana Anderson. Number 19, Stephanie Hortene. Number 20, Moana Scott. Number 21, Charlene Cassidy. Number 22, Hinimaya Uruamu Taiyaki. Number 23, Bonnie Maxwell. Number 24, Azaria Jade Paiawa.
Ka pai mo te timo Ngā Ruahine. Number 1, we have Kairos Kahui. Number 2, Hannah McLean. We're in the number 3 jersey, Brianna Poindexter. Number 3, Shaniqua Weston Jacobson. Number 5, Victoria Arnold. Number 4, Pearl Kahui. Number 6, Lynn Smith. Number 8, Kate Thompson. Number 23, Amelia Parata. Number 10 is Charlie Maraikura. We're in the number 22 jersey out there for Ngā Ruahine is Kiara Kātene. Number 12, Justice Green. Number 13, Pariake O'Brien. Number 19, Denia King. Number 15, Nadia Weston Jacobson. Number 14, we have Krishaya Mitchell McBaron. We're in the number 7 jersey, Jadina Roimata Robinson. We're in the 18 jersey, Rihanna Rangi Brown. Number 18, Kennedy Screen. Number 20, Nikki Kartini. 21, Evelyn Arnold. 17, Marika Laupama. Number 16, Karina Gay. 24, Johnny Lee Grant. 25, Alana Robinson. And 21 is Riley Gorham. So, rawi tērā whānau.
Here we go, whānau. So Te Atiawa went down in their first game in a tight tussle against the informed Ngā Rauru. That was 12-8 in that game. Really outstanding game that game was. And Ngā Ruahine had a close fought first half with Taranaki Tūturu in their first game, but came back in the back end of the game to win that one 20-10. So Te Atiawa will be needing a win in this game if they're wanting to move forward into the semis. So they'll be gunning for a win in this game, and obviously Ruahine with a win here will cement themselves a spot in the semi-finals. So important game, whānau. So she's all on the line.
Tika and Te Atiawa kicking off and Ngā Ruahine to receive. So here we go, whānau.
Alia Kirerako with the kickoff. Weston Jacobson with the carry.
And a good carry there. Good catch on the full there. But defence there waiting.
Nonia King with the carry there. Blackburn Kingy in once again. Second tackle in a row. They shifted to the right. Number 13. Pariake O'Brien with the carry there. They send it right once again. Good set here so far. Good carry there. Good carry. Good yardage made. They take short side. Pearl Kahui. Oh, with the fend. Great run. That should be the last there.
And Ngā Ruahine just in. Looks like they're in the 5 metre zone. The green zone there for Te Atiawa.
Crossfield kick with Lynn Smith. Edmonds under the ball. She loses it. And Ngā Ruahine are in.
And score.
Good try there by Pariake O'Brien.
And the ref has awarded the try there. Missed opportunity there. The fullback there just unable to receive the ball on the full there for Noma. Hey.
Aye. Great set though. Completed that set well, Ngā Ruahine. They went about 60 metres to complete that set with a kick to finish off.
Yes, good crossfield kick there and under the post, and just unfortunate there. And Ngā Ruahine, kārawe, ko whai piro.
4 points to 0. Ngā Ruahine take the lead. Last year's grand finalists. These two teams. Ngā Ruahine got the win last year, so they're current champions.
So they have a bit at stake here then in terms of
holding on to that tonga. They want to hold that tonga.
And good to see the smiles out there on that wahine te reo kai tākoro. Ko te wairua pai o te kēmu nei, no reira, ia rawe tērā hoki.
Pai, so that was an unsuccessful conversion. So 4-0 remains the score. No Harata Butler this year for Ngā Ruahine. She was our player of a tournament last year. Obviously over in the NRLW now with the Cronulla Sharks. Harata hailing from Rahui Pōkeka, Tani Wharau. She came down to represent Ngā Ruahine last year and had an outstanding tournament. So definitely missing her a little bit up front, but they're still playing really well here in Ngā Ruahine. Good carry there. Awesome. So, Hannah McLean, I think she made the tournament team last year.
Good catch on the run to return the ball there from kickoff. And Ngā Ruahine shift the ball out back into the middle of the field there, whānau.
Parata. Pass it on to O'Brien. O'Brien looks for the tip. Oh, good contact there by Haupapa. Blackburn Kingies into everything on defence. Parata from dummy half again out to Smith. Oh, good contact.
Good contact there.
Good contact. Good leg drive.
Yeah. And they're moving up the field really well there. Quite structured in their play.
Nikki Cartini with a couple of strong carries so far. Here we go again. Number 18 there. That's Rangi Brown.
And again, some big contact there.
We shift it back to the middle again. Put the crossfield kick into the left-hand corner. Oh, there we go. Tiatiawa with the ball. Here we go. Good run here.
Very lucky there. Where they stood there for a moment just watching the ball.
Good carry from Uruamo Taiaki. Blackburn Kingi from dummy half. Good run here.
Beautiful. Yeah, good run.
Great strong yardage. They're up over the halfway. Here we go again. Good run here.
Good to see those quick play of the balls and the quick scoot out of dummy half. It's managed to get them up the field quite a bit.
Blackburn Kingi sends it left, Tangida. Nice carry between bodies there.
Tiatiawa 10 metres out in front of Ngā Ruahine goal post.
Good run here. Here we go. Cutting back inside under the posts. And she's in.
And Kōwhai Piro. Tiatiawa have scored.
Auntie Mo. Moana Scott with the try.
Under the sticks, hockey.
Awesome to see, mums and daughters out there playing together, isn't it?
E taonga tērā. E taonga. If anything, I look forward to that too.
Yeah, so it's good to see Moana out there with her daughter, Rocky.
Yeah.
Good to see she's still got it. She's a pretty sharp touch player in her day, Moana.
And Alia sets up the tee in front of the sticks here.
As mentioned, Alia Kirirako, and now one of our last games we commentated on. She's come right through the grades, but also in our Ngā Ruahine team. We have Pearl Kahui and Kaya Rose Kahui who have come right through with the Western Jacobson girls, and they've all come through our teams over the years, so it's awesome to see them all playing in this tournament.
Tautoko karia kore kei te harikoa pāpi tēnei wā o hopa, and conversion successful there, which moves Tiatiawa to 6 points to 4.
Looks like we've got a game on our hands here, guys. All of the games so far have been really, really close. Even the last game, Tuturuna Rodu, was down to the wire. The first 2 games down to the wire. So awesome when it's level A across the board. There's no one-sided games. It's even. So
yes, and just hearing some of the kōrero, the opportunity for a Taranaki wahine team, the level of capability, amazing.
Oh, there we go. Great run there.
Bust the line there.
Awesome yardage. It's from Lana Kingi. Oh, almost dropped the ball, but she held on to it. Good tackle there by Kartini.
And quick play of the ball there as well.
Run. Oh, here we go. Number 6. It's Tamati. Heads left. Moana Scott once again. Good defence. Good defence there.
Yes, the number 4. Yes, spoke about her earlier in her game, and again another one who's come through the grades.
Nina Tangida. Oh, great contact.
And an offload.
Oh, bit of a loose ball there. Oh, she holds on to it. Taiawa. Oh, she was about to give the ball over there. Cuts back. Nina Tangira back to the left. Blackburn Kingi. Hirirako. Picks it.
Puts through a grubber.
Oh, bit of a knock on there.
And knock on. Yep.
Oh, look, there we go. The sun's out. The sun is shining. Oh, no. Get that sunscreen on. Summer's on its way. Jacko, chuck that sunscreen on, bro.
Karawi. If anything, the weather today's been beautiful out here today, whānau. Makes good for footy. Yeah.
Here we go. Another good run there by Cartanil. She gets driven back.
So Ngāruahine in possession of the ball at the moment.
Oh, there's Blackburn Kingi in there again. She's a workhorse. They shift it left. Here we go. Cartanil again. Wants to carry that ball. He's been carrying the ball all day.
There. Good contact. Ooh.
Off to Lynn Smith on the right. The veteran. The veteran takes it up the middle.
And Tiatio put the numbers into the tackle.
Oh, the veteran in the future, eh? There we go. They shift it. Parata off the deck. Sends it wide. Cuts back in. Oh, she goes to kick the ball. Tiatia was ball there. Little bit of aimless kicking happening at the moment. She's got to earn the right to get those kicks in.
And Tiatio in possession of the ball. Yes, you're right there, Whananga. A bit of pressure on them with their kick there as well.
Yeah.
That impacted on the result of that and knock on.
Yeah, good pressure there by Tiatia. Well, their defence has been pretty rock solid so far.
Tautoko.
They look like they've got a little bit more shape this game compared to the last game.
Some lessons there from the first one, eh?
Most definitely.
Yep.
They shift it right. Here we go. Short ball onto Kirirako.
They put the numbers out onto the right too. They had some shape out there.
Alicia Williams with carry. Blackburn Kingi out off the deck. Passes it on to Taiawa. Up the guts. Look at that. Beautiful
good, strong run. Finds her fronts.
Beautiful front there. Quick play the ball. Blackburn Kingi on to Tangira. Shows and goes.
So Tiatiawa, those quick play of the ball.
Another good run there.
Great strategy.
Blackburn Kingi from the deck. Pass it left. Oh, good contact.
And
number
8
phase offload. Blackburn Kingi sends it wide. Good tackle, Pearl Kahui. Oh, no, they get the offload. Oh, and they lose the ball. Oh, what a great passage of rugby league. Some great defence there from Ngāruahine.
Didn't they turn up? Just when you thought they were going to go over to Tiawa, Ngāruahine turn up and knock on there. So
Tiawa kept moving the ball, but great defence.
Like their second phase play.
Beautiful. Beautiful offload, keeping the ball alive. So it's Ngāruahine's ball off their own red zone.
So Ngāruahine feeding the ball through and they decide to head to the short side.
Here we go. Ooh, another good run. Oh, and an offload. Look at that. Pearl Kahui.
Had an outstanding game.
Pearl Kahui giving those pearls.
And the second phase offload again.
The offload seem to be the killers here.
They do. They do. The defence are dropping back and it's just giving them opportunity to make more yardage.
Here we go, shifting it left now. They're looking to give. Oh, skip ball. Oh, it was on too. Weston Jacobson. Oh, she's seen the clear run for the line and unfortunately drops the ball.
Good vision there too with that skip pass. Just unlucky with the catch there.
Beautiful vision.
And Tiatiawa ball as they move into the scrum.
So whānau, we have a tight game on our hands here. 6-4 at present. Tiatiawa over Ngāruahine. Anyone's game. Just want to send a mihi out to our sponsors, Bennett Enterprises, Paraninihi ki Waitōtara, and Toy Foundation. I want to thank them for their continued support of our kaupapa here. And
Tautoko.
Taranaki Whānui Māori Rugby League.
Absolutely tautoko that.
Oh, what a great run.
Good yards
It's
up the field, right up the middle of the field.
Taiaki sends it left. Edmonds.
And again, that quick play of the
Steps
ball
off
to
the
see
left.
them move up the field
Good
quite
contact,
easily.
Kartini. Kartini is playing outstanding, both in defence and attack. Send it left. Inside ball.
Inside ball there by
Nice, switching it up. There's Tamati. Blackburn Kingi off the deck. Nina Tangida sends it left. Oh, shift it. Kirerako inside. Pass the ball out. And they're in.
Tiatia will go over for successful
Beautiful try there. On the side, that's Maxwell. Bonnie Maxwell.
Yep, absolutely. Came off the back of their quick play of the ball there and just putting that pressure on, and they come away with the meat pie.
Outstanding. Looking a lot sharper in attack in this game. Tiatiawa obviously had a bit of a stern word from their coaches, Stacey and Kirsten, Marketing O'Carroll.
Yes.
Stacey herself, an ex-New Zealand Māori representative back in the days. So great to see them involved with the game, with the Wahine game, and representing the iwi and helping coach and guide these young ladies. So big mihi to Stacey and Kirsten. And their lovely manager, my wife.
Ka pai whai, Ari. E tikana kia tuku tērā mihi, my whanau. So that moves Tiatiawa at this point to 10-4 at this stage, just waiting for the conversion. But yes, a quick play and then shifting the ball to the edges. Kua rawe, kua whai piro, Tiatiawa.
So 10-4, there was a missed kick, was it, there, I think?
I think so, yes.
10-4.
Gone wide.
Sorry, I was not focusing on the camera there. I missed the kick.
Just wanted to come here to Matua Shane Cassidy. He was in here on the microphone just before, and now he's out on the field as trainer. Mihi ana kia koe Matua.
Man of many skills, eh?
Tautoko.
Oh, awesome to see our whānau tuning in. Seeing some of our cousins in here tuning in now. Our Cassidy whānau and our cousin Whack. Look at that run. Here we go on the left edge. She offload. Mike Kahui tuning in from over in Brisbane and Katie Rowe.
Strong run there from the Nise Miriana Anderson. Miharo. And it looks like they're there. Ko hiki na te wairua me ki. Just running with a little bit more purpose out there at the moment.
Tangira. Good tackle there. That's Arnold. Blackburn Kingi. Scott through the middle again. Great tackle, Lynn Smith. Blackburn Kingi from the deck again. Heads left. Kirerako. Puts the crossfield kick in. She loses it. And it's caught. It's caught by Lana Kingi. Does she? He's going to the touchy.
What's the call? Was she in front of the kicker? Unsure there.
They're having a bit of a convo. Multitasking. Tyson as well. Cousin Tice, he was commentating earlier. Now he's a touch.
Now he's on the line. Put on the boots.
We're very lucky, aren't we? Multi-talented whānau here. So they've given the try.
Wow.
So that'll take it out to 14-4.
Absolutely.
14-4.
Aye.
14-4.
14-4.
I hope. If we've got it wrong, whānau, can you chuck a little message in there and say you got it wrong? Aye.
So Lana Kingi successful with the try there off the back of that kick. And we're waiting for the conversion here from Kirerako.
So, as we talked earlier, a lot of pathways for our Wahine Māori now in rugby league with the NRLW. We've got a few of our Taranaki Waiini over there. Obviously, Gail Borton, who this pool's named after. She's playing over there in the NRLW.
And so, yeah, unsuccessful with the kick there. So the score 14 to Te Atiawa and 4 to Ngā Ruahine.
We also have Destiny Brill. Ngāti Ruanui, I think she might be. She's playing for the Broncos in NRLW.
Yes,
and we also have one of the Robbins whānau down at playing for the Raiders. I forget her name, but she's playing for the Raiders. Someone might be able to
paving the pathway for our whānau here and our next generation.
That's right. So awesome to see. Oh, and we can't forget Tiana Davison. Tiana Davison was with the Newcastle Knights, and they won the NRLW Grand Final. She played for Te Atiawa in this tournament last year, so just want to send a mihi up to Tiana as well. She was a bit gutted she couldn't get back to play in this.
Yes, absolutely.
So just want a mihi to her as well from Waitara, Tiana.
We breed them well in here at Taranaki League.
I reckon there's something in the water. Something in the water. I reckon they're maunga, eh? Ka pai whānau. So there we have it. 14-4 half time here. Te Atiawa e Ngā Ruahine. I'm sure Ruahine are going to have a good kōrero and they'll come back on fire, I'm sure. They want to hold that taonga that they still have, last year's champions. So
absolutely. So Whananga, just from that first half, what do you think it is that they might, some of that kōrero conversation that's happening in Ngā Ruahine's camp and also in Te Atiawa?
Well, I think Te Atiawa seem to have had some discussions about their attack, and they're moving the ball really well and really punching onto the line. Nice. with speed and power. And so I think Ngā Ruahine will probably be talking about their line speed and maybe winning the tackle, and then the wrestle, making sure they're slowing down that play the ball, which in turn allows the defensive line to set and ensure that they're up nice and quick. So I think if I was in there, if I was Kane Kahui, who's coaching the team, I think those are the words I'll be giving: is win the wrestle, win the line speed, and generally you'll win the game. So
nice.
I think that's what they're on. Te Atiawa seems to have a good head of steam on attack. So
totally agree.
Ruahine's got to get that ball back.
Yes.
And get those forwards, the Kātini girls, get them punching hard. They got some good forwards in there to carry strong. So
yes.
I'm sure they'll come back in the second half ready to rock and roll. And
that's the beauty of having that opportunity to debrief at half time, look at what's happening with the opposition and their own team, and totally agree, slow their ball down. Because Te Atiawa are getting their steam up just by a quick play of the ball, so controlling that ruck area, line speed, pressure. We'll see how they come out.
100%. We'll see how they come out. I think if Te Atiawa wants to hold on to that lead, they just keep playing the style they're playing in terms of attack, and obviously just keep working for each other on defence. But
that's it. Yep, absolutely. Turning up for one another, playing for one another. As they say, defence wins the game, but you still need to get points on the board as well while maintaining that defence and not too far away from kick-off again.
Outstanding games today, whānau. All of them have been very, very close. We had to make a call late last night, and we brought all our games onto field 1. For safety reasons in terms of field 2. So, and it's actually worked a treat. Everyone on the one field, and everyone seems to be enjoying the atmosphere and not having to go between the two fields. So the halves have been shortened to 20 minutes, which seems to have worked really well too. The games have been really tight. Big day, whānau. Our last game today at 5:10, so we don't finish here till 6. And we kicked off at 20-10 this morning. So, awesome day.
Ai, tautoko. Just want to send a mihi out to Ngā Rauru for their preparation for today's event. Mihi ana ki au koutou ngā kaiwhakahaere. Ko whaiwa te whakariti tēnei kaupapa mā tātou te maunga tito here. Tēnā koutou e te whanaunga. Ai, mihi ana. And here we are down in Wairoa, Itzi, preparing for the second half of this Wahine tour round. And Ngā Ruahine there with the kickoff.
Oh, knock on. There's a knock on.
There.
This is a good chance. Ngā Ruahine straight off kickoff. They get the ball back. I think if they score here, that will get them get their heels up, and then they'll be wanting to convert from this mistake, Te Atiawa mistake.
They will absolutely be wanting to get the first points on the board. Tautoko there for Noma. So Ngāruahine with the ball on the 30-metre line, Tiatiawa half.
Rightio, here we go. Pearl Kahui. She's been outstanding all day. Strong carry, finds her front. Quick play the ball here. Oh, no. Bit of wrestle there from Scott. Off the deck. Oh, Marcus jump.
And that's what we were talking about, is holding the player down, controlling the ruck,
That's right.
and the player the ball.
Lynn Smith with the carry. Takes 3 or 4 to get her down. She's a tough character. Parata from hook. Good carry here. Oh, nice run, nice contact.
Is that Nikki Kartini, number
Yeah,
20?
those Kartini girls.
She's been running strong all
Here
day.
we go, sending it right. Nice. Oh, good defense. Good defense there by number 20. Number 22. Right, we send it. There we go. Kartini again wants to carry the ball again. Great contact though. Oh, she's still going. Hey, she gets in. Beautiful. Wow, she was keen to get to that line, and she got there.
Had 2 hanging off her as well there, but still managed to find the line.
Outstanding run.
I think for a great reward for her mahi for the day.
Most definitely. Nikki Kartini leading from up front. Also, I don't know if it's her sister or cousin, but Kiara Kartini as well. She's been carrying really, really strong. So, yeah, outstanding. That takes it up to 14-8 with the kick to come. 14-8 to Te Atiawa.
Nice.
Ngāruahine, they must have had that quartered, or bro?
Yes.
Hey?
Good analysis there at the halftime there, coach. Yes, and with the conversion to come. So 14 to Te Atiawa, 8 to Ngāruahine, and we are awaiting the conversion.
Oh, she misses that one.
Goes
so
wide.
Remain 14-8. Only 6 points behind. I think this next set will be crucial for Ngāruahine in terms of completion and getting down the field.
Absolutely. Ideally, they'd be wanting to kick it deep in there and with a strong chase, try to keep them down the end. We'll see what happens here. But yes, you're right. It is a close game. Not that too far apart.
Rightio, here we go. Kirirakwa with the kickoff. Well, the rain's gone, bro. The rain's gone. Looks really, really nice out there now.
Yes, and we still have quite a bit of whānau around the field here, watching, supporting the day.
Oh, out on the full. Ruahine will be rubbing their hands.
They've been looking for.
They'll be very happy with this. That's 2 mistakes from Te Atiawa early in the second half. These type of things, when you only have 20 minutes each half, you've got to really minimise the mistakes because there's not a lot of time, is there?
No, you're absolutely right. And so pretty much give them half a field restart.
That's right. And who's the first to carry the ball? Kartini.
Nikki Kartini.
Straight off halfway. Makes about 10, 15 metres. Good tackle, though.
Absolutely. And scored that last try for Ngāruahine. And she's first on the ball.
You send it right. King with the carry. Taranaki for your player.
And good to see a lot of our wahine that are in that Taranaki field team actually representing the iwi today.
That's right.
A few of them out there today.
Lynn Smith on the right. Kingi takes it. Kaya Rose Kahui taken. Te Atiawa really working hard on the wrestle, which is slowing down the play. And the ref's trying to control it.
Good tackle there from Mariana Anderson.
Is that wrestle again? Pushing off. Kaya Rose Kahui sends it left.
And the kick.
Smith puts the bomb up. Good catch.
Good catch there from the winger out there.
She finds her front.
And Te Atiawa with the ball now.
Good scoot. It's Tangida. Tangida with the run.
And a good friend gave her some more metres up the field. Good yardage.
Daughter of Willie Tangida. Willie was a good player back in his days. On a mihi to Willie in the whānau over there in Sydney.
Kia ora.
There we go. Good run here. Good
and
run.
another scoot from dummy half from Te Atiawa.
Good run there, number 22 again.
Number 20.
Uruamu, Taiaki. Here we go.
Kapai.
Good run there.
Kapai,
strong.
Mariana Anderson.
Mariana Anderson with the
Strong
carry.
run again. He's following in the footsteps of her Tungane.
Aye. Kirirako.
Te Atiawa with the kick.
Here we go. It's bouncing around and it bounced back. Oh, did they go forward or was it? No, it's carry on.
So too, but no, the referee just play on.
Here we go. Oh, they go to
So
short
Naru
side.
in there.
They go to short side there. Or she might go out.
Kia atu
No.
pato.
17. It's Lopama who carries the ball. Oh, knock on there. She'll be
knock on,
disappointed with herself for having the ball there, the opportunity.
Yes, it is the nature of the game. Just when you're getting the ball back, Te Atiawa will have the ball, and it'll be a scrum there.
That's right. Got some comments coming through here. Yep, Ziggy Tangira. Yep, that's right, cuz he's a gun player too. One of Willie's sons.
Miharo.
So they're pretty talented whānau. Willie's brother Jeff too, Jeff Tangira.
Absolutely.
They play New Zealand Māoris.
And good to see the whakapapa and the names of throughout all of our teams with whānau who have had tupuna.
Oh, what a
family
run.
Members. And Te Atiawa go under
That's
the
right.
post.
Who's that? Number 3. Number 3 was Alicia Williams with the try. Sorry to interrupt you there,
Kate
cuz I just
Tabai.
seen her jump off the back of the scrum and go. Oh,
That
far out.
takes Te Atiawa out to 18 points to 8.
18-8.
With the conversion to come, and almost in front of the sticks there. So an opportunity here again for Kirirako to add another 2 points. We shall see. But yes, as we were saying, yeah, lots of representation out there, whakapapa.
It's beautiful to see. That's one of the real joys of this weekend. Is it's rugby league's a game we all love as Māori, but I think bigger than that, it's about coming together and whakawanangatanga and those whakapapa connections amongst our iwi and our hapu and our whānau.
Tautoko, hard. Yep, they're whanaungatanga. Potentially cousins and whanaunga playing against one another. And tikatau, kura te atawatanga o tērā, o te whakapapa.
Aye. And you see that, a few players jumping ship all between the different iwi because all their different connections, which is beautiful.
Heard one of the whanaunga out here saying, oh, those boys were playing for our team last year, and this year they're playing for that whānau. And then, well, that's the beauty of whakapapa again. You can do that whānau.
That's right. Right. And, a lot of us here in Taranaki have those links all around the maunga, so it's beautiful to see.
It is.
Here we go, kick-off once again, Lynn Smith.
Was that conversion successful? Whānau, if you saw that conversion, aroa mai, the whanaunga and I were hard our kōrero. We missed that. At this stage, we have 18-8, but if you saw that...
Did their kick go over?
Did they kick go over?
Sack us, eh? Sack us, fellas.
Strong there, tackle there from Ngaruahine. Te Atiawa on the 50-metre line.
They're moving the ball really well in this game.
They are.
Blackburn Kingi jumps out. Taiawa with the carry. Good run again. She's had a couple of good runs there.
Yes.
Over to Tangira. Was it Robinson? No, that's Williams.
Again, getting their momentum on and
crossfield
kick.
Oh,
unfortunate again.
Unfortunate.
Yes.
Drop ball there for young Pearl Kahui, which is a shame. She's been working so hard.
She has been. She'll be kicking herself for that. Yeah.
Reset on defense now for Ngaruahine.
Yep, absolutely.
Yes, conversion was successful. So that's 20.
Kia ora
20 day. Kia ora. Thank you for that, for Carol and Shay Rhiannon. Thank you. Keep you fellas on. You might need to take Carol.
Kia ora whānau. Thank you for that, hey.
Oh, shot Cam. Yep, Cam's tuned in. Yep, conversion was successful. Someone's watching. Shot my bro.
Ka pai. And so Ngaruahine, they have the ball back. looks like a knock on, and going into a scrum.
So you have I see Peter Hey, she's on there, which is cool. That's cool. She's playing for Te Atiawa, and she's also helping her hubby with Ngāti Mutunga with the men. So well done, Peter. And you've got 8 kids to deal with too. Too much.
Ka pai. Future rugby league players.
Oh, good run.
Strong
Weston Jacobson
run
with the
there.
run. Look at her go. Oh, and she offloads as well.
Offload.
Carry on. They carry on the left edge. Oh, no. It's a knock
What's
on.
the
Unlucky. They look really good. They have about four players out there on that left edge.
Managed
all
to
following
catch
up.
Te Atiawa off guard there a little bit there, I think.
Te Atiawa get the ball. That's kind of been a bit of the corridor of the day, really, hasn't it? The footy's been amazing, but there's been quite a bit of drop ball.
Yes,
especially when teams have had momentum or go forward, and then they drop the pull, and it can really cost them in the games.
Absolutely. And depending on where they are on the field, can cost them a try and potentially the game. Absolutely.
Good run there previously by Williams down that right edge. She's been quite dangerous on that side. She's got a bit of toe. Oh, look at this.
And here we go.
Oh,
Scott
Auntie Mo once again. Good tackle by Kartini. She's been into everything.
And strong throughout the competition, throughout the day.
Here we go. Shifting it left onto Edmonds. Good fend, good tackle. Weston Jacobson gets her down.
The fullback there for Te Atiawa.
Oh, she's going for the try. Good tackle. Oh, great defense.
Contact there from Ngāruhi Hine.
Lynn Smith.
Right in front of the own goal.
Kaya Rose Kahui straight in there. Switch it left. Kirerako onto Tangira. Long ball out wide. They pass it again in the corner.
Good passage of play there.
It's Bonnie. Young Bonnie Maxwell's in again, eh?
Hey, another Taranaki field player. And he tauira ia no te kura kaupapa te pihipinga. Just putting that plug out there for our kura. Ka pai, Bonnie.
Awesome, Bonnie. Your Mama Kitty will be very proud of you.
Yes. Kei te tika. Now that's awesome there. But still a bit of work to do there. Good pass here from Lana Kingi as well. Managed to hold up the defence, allow Bonnie to get over the line. So good teamwork out there. What does that put our score
that's
to?
24 to 8.
24 to 8
at the moment. So this makes the final games tomorrow very interesting because Ngāruhi beat Taranaki Tūturu. Te Atiawa beating Ngāruhi Hine. Ngārodu just beat Tūturu. So it's going to be actually it will come down to those last games tomorrow to see who makes the final. So
interesting.
Must watch, whānau. You got to come down tomorrow if you're at home today watching the live stream. Ka pai, I hope you're nice and warm and comfortable because we're all warm and comfortable down here too. So come down tomorrow and enjoy the finals.
Absolutely. Tautoko.
We'll put the draw out on our Taranaki Wānui Māori Rugby League page tonight. The updated draw for tomorrow, but make sure you get down here, bring the whānau, bring the tamariki, bring koro and kui.
Aira.
And come down here for what's supposed to be a nice sunny day tomorrow. So
beautiful. So misconversion, our score as it stands is 24 to 8 to Te Atiawa.
Nice run there. Once again, I think it's number 22.
Ooh, was that a bit of a mistake?
Oh, she's made, yes. Ngāruhi Hine will want to capitalise on this.
Absolutely.
They want to score.
A little bit of a mistake there in the play of the ball, and the referee saw it. And so Ngāruhi Hine have the ball going into the scrum, but absolutely total whananga. They will be wanting to capitalise here and move up the field and get to their kick, see where that takes them.
Oh, wow. Beautiful tackle. Kere Rako comes around behind the scrum.
Makes the tackle and comes up with the pill.
Oh, the ref's looking towards he's talking to the captain, is he? I know they're going to refeed the scrum.
Okay, then.
Fair enough. Just want to acknowledge our refs, our officials from near and far. They every year in, year out, come here to tautoko this tournament. It's never an easy job. a lot of us that a lot of us that support and watch the game normally got plenty to say about our referees, but without them, we don't have a game.
Kei Te Tika, and tautoko that acknowledgement out to them all, and same with our touchies. Indeed, all our volunteers out there today, e mihi ana. And Tiawa with the ball shifted to the left.
Oh,
Mistake
good tackle.
there.
Weston
Drop
Jacobson
ball.
with the tackle.
What's the call there? That was a knock on from Tiawa, but were they offside potentially? No, Ruahine have the ball.
Ngarueni with the ball now. Few drop balls. Obviously,
been,
we're in our
has
second
been.
game. We're in our second game now, so the fatigue's probably setting in a little bit.
Yes.
So the errors start to creep into the game. So just need to hold on to the pill. I think that could be the difference in this tournament.
Absolutely
Position.
agree. And our teams will be wanting to get a good recovery session in after the end of the day. Looking forward to the finals tomorrow, but definitely fatigue. That tiredness impacting on the game.
Here we go, shifting it right. Cartiner once again with the carry. She's strong
And a
runner.
Strong run again.
Once
2-3
again.
off her.
And number
And
22
one
setting
stop
up here. Here's the next Cartiner for another run. There she goes. Beautiful. One after the other. Look at that. Takes a few to get her down. Those two are really leading the way for Ngaruahine.
Yeah, and Tiatia just doing a little bit too much after the contact. And Ruahine awarded with a penalty there. Almost 5 metres out from the line.
Here we go. Kai Rose goes. She goes herself. Ooh. She gets wrapped up. She gets wrapped up there. Good quick play the ball. Shifts right. Dummy. Show and go.
She
Steps
goes
back
again.
in and she's in. Beautiful try. Ngaruahine. Number 7. Jariana Roy Mata Robinson. All of these names, well-known names in our Ngaruahine country, aren't they? Robinson and Kātene and Kāhui and awesome. What a run, eh? Show, go, steps back in, left, steps again off the left foot and over she goes.
And she went in for the run just before, so awarded with their second attempt there.
Beautiful. 24-12. Tiatia still got a handy lead, but Lynn Smith with the kick might bring it a little bit closer.
Tautoko. All those points count. As we know, Whānau only takes 1 point to win the game, so they'll be wanting to make this conversion successful. Oh, and off the upright there.
The uprights. 24-12. The score remains. There wouldn't be long, Whānau. I would say there's only a few minutes left.
I was just thinking the same. Tiatia will still need to hold them out. So definitely a deep kick. We will see what strategy they use here, Whānau. But a good game. Good. Kei te tākoro rātau I runga I te wairua pai. Aida.
24-12 Whānau. 24-12 to Te Atiawa at present.
And Tiatia with the ball, ready to kick off.
There we go, down to Weston Jacobson. She'll run hard. There she goes. Good run across field, good fin. Taiawa almost beats her, almost gets her. Tangida with the tackle. She got a bit of cramp.
That's that fatigue potential we were talking about earlier. Or was it the nature of the way she landed in that tackle?
Oh, look at that.
Manaakitanga at its best.
Manaakitanga at its best. There we go. Good step. There's the number 7 again. Oh, she's good. Oh, the ball comes out. Parata with the run. Through the middle. Finds her front. Look for a quick play the ball here. There we go. From dummy half. On to Lynn Smith. Here we go, O'Brien up the middle. Beautiful run. Good defence.
Yes.
Good defence. Good wrestle on the ground there. They've obviously had a bit of a chat about the wrestle. They shift right. Kāhui. She gets wrapped up. There goes the hooter. Oh, she's trying to offload. She offloads.
Keeps the ball alive.
King with the ball. They keep it alive. Back to Smith. She fends. Looks to give. Kingy. Still offloads. Here we go. King again. Offloads again. Parata with the chip. And it's out on the full. There we go,
And
whānau.
there's the
Another
final
great
whistle.
game. This time, Te Atiawa take the win, 24-12. Last year's obviously grand final repeat, and Te Atiawa comes out on top this time.
Yes.
So great game once again.
I've absolutely enjoyed our Wahine Tour games this afternoon.